The last subject I would like to cover is related to adding comments in our code. Now, comments are used to document what's going on in a program for anyone reading the code, and should be used anytime we wish to explain what a program or maybe a specific function is supposed to do. Feel free to use them throughout your sketch, even if you think that they are not useful right now. Be sure they will help you to understand what the hell have you done like just a week ago or a month ago in your sketch. They are also useful for disabling parts of a sketch for testing and debugging. We can quickly disable specific line or a group of lines and see what happens. It's also helpful to make a change in a part of the code but leave the old code in place using comments, just in case we want to use that old code again. Now, there are two basic types of comments, single line and multi-lines. For single line comments, we use the symbol with /. For multi-lines comments, the lines are enclosed within the following symbol. They are used to mark the beginning and the end of the block of comments. Okay, very simple and very useful to be used in your sketch. Okay, that's all for this section. We covered many subjects and now we would like to start practice some of them while creating our first project.